should have put this. We should have them in this when the guy comes to look at them.
This one. Very nice, all that one. The crimp. What's the micron of this, babe?
16.
16.
You can sort of.
Yeah.
Mark's not till the end of March.
I think on the 26th of March, right? The show.
The 30th, I thought.
Oh, okay. They changed it now.
This year it is. Last year it might have been the 26th.
Yeah, I remember. Oh, that was yeah, 26, I reckon, or 24th. Very white. It's very white from here.
Very long.
Yeah, staple.
This one's shorter.
So this one August shorn, right?
They're showing the same.
Yeah, August shorn.
Yeah.
Nice cream. Very nice. Long staple, super white. Oh my god, this beauty.
Yeah.
Go, 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 go there.
Alright, mate, if you want to go, you can.
Okay. Very white.
Long staple. You just want to annoy me.
Come on, Joe. You can do it. You will be the champion. Maybe.
Right?
Yes. He's done perfect. Look at the back leg.
I like this one. I've got to cut this front feet a bit more. I'm going to do it again. No, it's good.
Yeah, she's done good. Look at that. She's like a model. So we finished now after 1 hour. Oh, they're gonna eat the lollies here. Hey, 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 hey. Go, go, you got your lollies there. No, 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 no. Go back. You got your food there. You got your food. Come on. Come on, come on. Oh, shit! So their training is finished now. They're gonna go back to their pen.